Welcome to Science Hub. Today, we're diving into an exciting innovation that's transforming how we look at the microscopic world. Imagine your ordinary microscope, not just magnifying images, but revealing the intricate details of materials by analyzing the light they absorb or reflect. Thanks to CRAIC Technologies, this is now a reality. They've introduced updates to their advanced microscope, the 500 APV, which adds groundbreaking spectroscopic capabilities. This means researchers can now glean more detailed information about biological and pharmaceutical samples. The device seamlessly integrates with traditional optical microscopes, offering a new dimension to imaging. By incorporating these new spectral techniques, the 500 APV can perform complex analyses like absorption, reflection, and fluorescence measurements. This allows scientists to study biological samples with incredible precision, offering not just magnified images but also spectral data that can reveal material properties at a molecular level. The device excels in various fields, such as pharmaceutical research and tissue analysis, providing non-destructive insights into drug components and biological tissues. It's also invaluable for studying proteins and nucleic acids by detecting unique ultraviolet signatures. With the 500 APV, researchers can merge visual images with spectral data, providing deeper insights into biological structures. This fusion accelerates discovery processes in fields like molecular biology and medical diagnostics, where scientists can now analyze the optical properties of biological components with remarkable accuracy. Drive. Paul Martin, head of CRAIC Technologies, mentions that this device opens new horizons for researchers in medicine and biology. It aids in studying protein crystals, mapping tissue fluorescence, and developing new drugs. Currently available and customizable, the 500 APV caters to a wide range of life sciences applications. Its flexibility means scientists now have a powerful tool for a diverse array of scientific research, enhancing discovery and innovation. This new update to the 500 APV marks a significant leap in improving scientific research in biological and medical fields. By combining spectroscopic capabilities with traditional microscopy, scientists can access more detailed and accurate data, boosting their ability to understand biological and pharmaceutical materials better. This innovation not only adds a new dimension to research but also opens up new avenues in understanding complex biological processes. Don't forget to subscribe for more fascinating science content.